Hi, I'm Shina Orr. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Bolingbrook, Illinois. Today I'm going to be singing Running Back to You by Fred Hammond and I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. How can you forgive me when I've often gone astray? How can you think of me when I do things my way? Turning my back from you, the one who loved me first, having my own desires, renewing worldly thirst. You told me you love me, and I should make up my mind. You tell me, come back now, but I keep wasting time, feeling so very weak. You said I can be strong. I feel I've gone too far. You tell me to come home. You love me still, and I know this is real, and I am running back to you. I see you're standing there for me. Your arms are open wide, and I don't have to cry no more. You're standing there for me, and I am running back to you. Why do I go when I know I am no good, when I'm on my own? Thank you.